Free fall. Our Earth attracts all the objects which are near its surface, so that when a body is dropped from the roof of a house, it falls down to the earth. The acceleration produced in the freely falling bodies is the same for all the bodies, and it does not depend upon the mass of the falling body. Acceleration due to gravity. The uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling body is due to the gravitational pull of the earth, is called acceleration due to gravity. The value of acceleration due to the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, which is equal to m into g, equation 1. Force due to gravitation. F is equal to m1 into m2 g upon r square, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, m into g is equal to m1 into m2 g upon r square. G is equal to gm upon r square. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square.